Good morning. It's a chilly start to the day across central and eastern areas, but milder, cloudier and wetter conditions in the west are going to spread east through the day. I'll have more details in about 15 minutes.
Yes, there was this big sort of golden globe thing. I don't know what it was. What was it, Carol?
Oh, it was the sun, Billiam, wasn't it? Welcome. Good morning. Now, some of us may be seeing a bit of that this morning, but it's going to be a fairly cloudy day overall. It's chilly in central and eastern parts this morning, but from the west it is going to turn milder, and it's all courtesy of this front. This front's producing rain currently. As it drifts from the west to the east, it's a warm front. You'll notice it's going to be fairly breezy, but milder conditions will come our way. So through the course of the night, we've been watching the progress of that front, moving across Scotland in particular, where the rain's been heavy, but you can see it extending down towards southern parts where it's much lighter. This morning at 9 o'clock across Northern Ireland, the rain will have cleared, leaving a fair bit of cloud behind. Quite a wet start to the day across Scotland. Some of that rain likely to be heavy, especially so in the west, and a wet start to the day across parts of northern England too, especially again anywhere with a bit of height. At this stage, the northeast mostly dry, but you can see where the rain is. Now for East Anglia, Cambridgeshire, down towards Essex and Kent, some early brightness, but the cloud pushing in across the Midlands will get over to the east through the day. And for the southwest of England, here too, there's quite a bit of cloud this morning with some dank conditions, some drizzle and some light patchy rain, which extends across the Bristol Channel and into Wales. Now, as we go through the day, we'll lose the first weather front, the warm one. Behind it, you can see there's still going to be some light and mostly patchy rain across the west. But in between and just behind, it will be dry. Look at those temperatures, 11 to 13. And eventually, that milder air will get over into eastern parts too. Now, through the evening and overnight, it's going to be fairly cloudy. We still will have this light and patchy rain in the west, breezy across parts of Scotland, but we're not expecting a frost tonight. Again, the overnight temperature is pretty impressive. Look at this, 10 to 11. And as we push over towards the east, we're looking at 6s and 7s. Now, as we go through the course of Thursday, we start off in a bright note in eastern areas. You can see the extent of the cloud behind, and also some rain, which is going to be moving northwards. Eventually, the rain will be confined to northern Scotland, and the skies will brighten. So for some of us, there will be some sunshine. But tomorrow, rather like today, there's going to be a fair bit of cloud around. But tomorrow, again, the temperature's not too bad at all, up to 13 degrees in London. For Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it remains fairly cloudy for many of us, with some rain at times coming into the northwest. By the time it gets south, if there's anything left on the band of rain, it's going to be fairly light. So after the deluge we had at the end of last year, that's some good news, Billy and Sean.
It is good news for 2013. Carol, thank you.